may history tungkol sa time travel. May nagtanong kasi kung totoo yung time traveling. Sometimes, regression or past life regression is akin to time traveling because I can make you go back. But this has something to do with your life. Kunyari, kung nabuhay ka nung year 1820, pwede kitang pabalikin doon. Makikita mo lahat na nasa paligid mo, yung mga importanteng bagay sa'yo. Kakausapin kita at sasagutin mo ako. Ganun po ang regression. Pwede kitang pabalikin doon. Kahit na anong year, basta pinanggalingan mo. Kahit pa yung time ni Jesus o yung time nung before that, yung BC, before Christ, o AD, after death, pwede po yun.